All right, what's going on, guys? A little bit of a different video today. I'm not going to take up too much of the camera. What I did for this video is I gave the GoPro to the guys, I gave it to Corey, and I said, listen, I want you to film. I want to see how everyone reacts on the YouTube. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about Corey filming and him taking more of the video today. I think that you guys will actually probably like the guys better than me. But enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Morning. Corey here. You guys don't know me a lot. You know Taylor. He's out finding more work for us. It's Wednesday morning. Beautiful morning. We're here at the mill. Gonna continue on with our block wall project. Get this wrapped up from today is the plan. There's Cody. Kenny checking over the equipment. And here we go. For a beautiful Wednesday.
What's your name there?
Okay, so here at the mill again. We got Taylor on site. We got the rest of our blocks in for this stretch of the wall. Turned out really well, really happy with it. See, into the cleanup stage. Really happy with the way it turned out. Get it all tidied up for them and backfilled. Give it a pack, smooth it off. And we'll go on to phase 2 of the job. still here at the mill. Still Wednesday, still a beautiful day. I'm getting this block wall fixed right up. Looking good. Got some more blocks coming. I'm gonna complete the stack 2 high. Got Cody fixing up the parking lot. Got Kenny fixing up the ditch. Taylor doing some PR. We did the back section here. A little bit of the fence that failed. Fixed that all up. Another job getting done. Ken White. It's your guys. Okay, Corey here, Ken White Construction. Just finishing up here with the rock wall, finishing touches. Show you guys the finished product. We got Kenny just smoothing the last little bit out, making everything look good. And that's the way it's done. Nice little job. Beautiful weather to work in. Can't complain. It's not raining. We'll see you on the next one. You need it done, we can get her done. You want it done right, call White.
Well, that summed up the footage that Corey took for me. So if you made it to the end of the video, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in today. We got awesome content coming next week. Make sure to head over to our Instagram at KWC2000. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up. See you on the next one. No, I didn't forget. If you're still watching, then you know that you're the true patriot of the channel, and I appreciate you for watching the entire video. And if you did that, I need you to comment down below the wall, because we made a nice, massive wall that I'm super proud of, and the customers were awesome. So if you watch the entire video in its entirety, comment down below the wall, and I appreciate you, and I read all the comments. Thanks, guys.